സ്വർഗീയ ദീപ്തി ചിന്തം സുന്ദരമാമുഖം പ്രാണമായി ഭക്തയായ വേറോനിക്ക സ്നേഹഭക്ത്യ തുടയ്ക്കുന്നു നിൻ തിരുമുഖം സ്നേഹഭക്ത്യ തുടയ്ക്കുന്നു നിൻ തിരുമുഖം.
My dear brothers and sisters, during this season of Lent, we have been reflecting on the theme metanoia. We have been reflecting on metanoia from different perspectives. Today I wish to offer you another perspective on metanoia. Metanoia is basically an invitation to come back to love. To understand this, let us try to understand our fundamental identity as human beings. In the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 27, we are reminded of our fundamental identity. That is, all of us are created in the image and likeness of God. This is not a specific identity of Catholics or Christians. This is the fundamental identity of every human being created on the face of the earth. What does this concretely mean? When we say that we are created in the image and likeness of God, it means each one of us is a reflection of God. We can even say that each one of us is an incarnation of God. That is, God who is formless taking concrete form in and through each one of us. That is the reason the psalmist would say that each one of us is made less than a God, almost like a God. It further means that if God is love, and if each one of us is created in the image and likeness of God who is love, then our fundamental identity is also love. It means that every human being has immense potential to love. It means that our fundamental nature is love. We can even say that our origin is love and our destiny is also love. Recall that beautiful English hymn that we learned. Love it was that made us, and love it was that saved us. Love was God's plan when He made man. God's divine nature is love. So if God's divine nature is love, because we are created in the image and likeness of God, our fundamental nature also is love. And that is why Saint John Paul II, he said, the fundamental vocation of every human being is love. And therefore Jesus says, remain in my love. John of the Cross would say, that in the evening of life, each one of us will be judged by the quality of our love. St. Paul, in his letter to the Corinthians, chapter 13, he says, "If I speak in the tongues of men and of angels, but have no love, I am only a ringing gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have the gift of prophecy, and if I can fathom all mysteries and knowledge, and if I have absolute faith, faith that can move mountains, but if there is no love in my heart, everything becomes useless." So if our fundamental identity is love as human beings created in the image and likeness of God, what is sin? Sin is basically a rejection of love, an egoistic turning in onto oneself. And therefore, repentance or metanoia is basically an invitation to come back to love, to come back to our fundamental identity. The prodigal son gets up from his sinful state and goes back to love, to his father's house, symbol of love. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, may this season of Lent be an opportunity for us to get up from our sinful state and go back to our fundamental identity. May this enable us to become more and more loving persons. God bless you.
സായേ നീ മുദ്രിതമാ